Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change the display language in your Reddit account. So first you are going to launch the application if you are using your phone, or if you are using the application for your laptop, or you just simply can go to your browser and access the website. Then you need to log into your account. After that you are going to click on your profile icon here on the top right, and then the last option you will find is settings. Select this one, and then you will find yourself in this page, and here as you can see on the top there is different sections. You are going to choose preferences, and once you do that you will find the first section, language, and here as you can see you will find display language. You just click here and you can change it from your current language to any language that you want. Also here there is the option for your content language. You just select here and you can add any language that you want, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.